Hello, this is Rishabh, and today I'm going to present my learning outcome. I selected this topic as my learning outcome because this was my findings in a report also. So the topic is evaluate and compare various types of ERP software solutions and their application in global business context. I would like to discuss that small companies usually prefer lightweight ERP systems or basically accounting softwares. But as the company grows, its demand also grows. Followed by the growth, we need to go for the specialized ERP system which is just fit for the purpose. There are two types of ERP systems. The one is on premises and the other one is in-house ERP system. The in-house ERP system are traditionally ERP systems that are having the servers on premises of a company. And the other one is cloud ERP system. Cloud ERP system is much more flexible and has a lot of scalability to all its users. The cloud servers are remotely based, hence we can access them with the help of just two things. The one is the internet and other one is the software. I have mentioned the three ERP systems here. The first one is Infor Cloud Suite. This ERP system best fits when we are working with our clients, especially in manufacturing and distribution field. Those trends can be the types of organizations that are most likely to gravitate towards Infor Cloud Suite. So companies, for example, their food and beverages or aerospace and defense or industrial manufacturing, those type of organizations tend to find the most value in Infor Cloud Suite products. The second one I have mentioned is Microsoft D365. This ERP system owns by the Microsoft and is very reliable. It is an alternate to large organization and a mid-size organization, or even smaller startups can also use Microsoft D365. The drawbacks that cannot be neglected with Microsoft 365 is that it has a lot of partners in its ecosystem. It has a gigantic partner network. So as the partners increases, there are a lot of implementations also. The last one I've mentioned is Sap Hana. This ERP system we are using in our laboratories, and I have a hands-on experience on SAP. This is the most prominent used ERP software from the last 2 decades. And where S4 HANA is the latest flagship product from SAP. It is specially used among the large and more complex organizations. Thank you. That's all for my topic.